Welcome to the world of ADI, Artificial Domain Intelligence, the nexus of innovation and industry-specific expertise. Today we pull back the curtain on ADI, revolutionizing AI applications across the board. The challenge, making AI truly effective within specific industries. The solution, ADI, Artificial Domain Intelligence enriches AI applications with industry-specific insights and knowledge. It's like giving AI a domain-specific encyclopedia. From healthcare to manufacturing, finance to logistics, ADI customizes AI to outperform in a variety of sectors. With ADI, AI systems become industry savants, grasping the subtleties, regulations, and hurdles. The result? AI applications that yield accurate insights, streamline operations, and foster innovation. In the data-driven world of today, having ADI in your arsenal is a game changer. It provides you with a competitive edge. Here at Qritrim, we're leading the charge in ADI development, fortifying businesses across a range of industries. Are you prepared to harness the potential of artificial domain intelligence? Stay tuned for more insights and advancements from us. Qritrim, shaping the future of AI, one domain at a time.